Hi everyone, today we are diving into a super hot topic, how Taiwan's young folks, especially the PTT crowd, are using lazy investing to quietly stack up wealth. So, how do they do it? There are the highlights of this episode. First up, a profile of PTT users, investing habits. Then, why Taiwan's youth are all about lazy investing. Third, ETF options. That's the AOR investment breakdown. And finally, fund options. That's the Schroder International Select Fund. Global multi-asset income. Alright, let's jump in. Part 1. A look at the investing profile of PTT's young users. First, let's talk about PTT. This magical place is Taiwan's biggest online forum, packed with young people. From college students to office workers, they are all chatting about every topic under the sun. And of course, how to make money, like on the stock and fund boards, which are crazy popular. Super buzzing. So, what's the vibe of these young investors? Well, some say they have got a bit of FOMO, fear of missing out on big opportunities, and a touch of TINA, feeling like there is no better alternative. Heck, some even go for YOLO. That is to say, you only live once, so just go for it. But at the same time, they are super sharp at digging up information. And their minds are quick. So, what are the main investing styles on PTT? First, you have got the Love Taiwan's crew. They are all about Yuanta Taiwan 50 and Yuanta High Dividend. Super solid. This group is all in for Taiwan. They are hyped about buying stuff like Yuanta Taiwan 50 and Yuanta High Dividend ETFs. They believe in backing their own market. They think Taiwan's stock market has a long-term edge. TSMC is their national treasure. They play it steady and safe. Next up, the stock hoarders again. They think US stocks are the ultimate. VT, VTI, SPY, QQQ. These get all the hype, so tempting. This crew believes the stars and the strips never fade. Especially index ETFs like VT, VTI, SPY, and QQQ. They are convinced the US stocks are forever golden. They usually invest a fixed amount monthly, letting compound interest build their wealth over time. Their goal? Financial freedom. And then there is the lazy investor. Squad. Their mantra? Spread it global, then chill and sleep. They don't put all the eggs in one basket, aiming for stability. Compared to the others, this group wants simple, efficient, and sleep-friendly investing. They are not into watching the market all day. They don't chase short-term trades. They love global diversification, spreading risk across the size worldwide. Their motto: less action, more peace of mind. Now, let's move to part 2. Why do Taiwan's young folks pick lazy investing? The love Taiwan and the stockholders need nerves of steel for big swings. That's why lazy investing is such a hit with Taiwan's youth. PKK folks say, first, it's all about spreading risk. Young people may not have much capital. Buying an ETF is like buying a whole basket of stocks or assets. No stress about one stock tanking, so it's way calmer. It's like the investing world's chill pill. Next up, sensitivity to risk. PKK discussions often show people worried about geopolitics or market ups and downs. Think about it. Taiwan's trade tensions, global economic shakes, who isn't nervous? So, betting everything on one market, like just Taiwan or US stocks, feels kinda shaky. Global diversification is a go-to for many. And finally, choosing simple and efficient. ETFs and some multi-asset funds mean you buy and don't need to check the market daily. Total time saver. Perfect for busy works or investing newbies. So, here's a question. What tools do the lazy investors use? They have got 2 main options: ETF and fund, one for each. So, part 3. Top 2 picks for the lazy investor crew. We recommend AOR or Schroder. For ETFs, the topic pick is AOR, iShares Core Moderate Allocation ETF, aka AOR. It's an ETF that auto-balances stocks and bonds. Its mix is 60% stocks and 40% bonds, covering US stocks, international stocks, and US bonds, and its annual fee super low at 0.15%. Returns are pretty steady, around 6.5% annualized. Plus, it auto-rebalances. Great for mid to long-term investing. Now, let's check out a hot fund option. That's the Schroder RSF Global Multi-Asset Income Fund. It's mixed stocks, convertible bonds, straight bonds, and a bit of cash. It's global spread, covering the US, Europe, Asia, and more. Annualized distributions around 5% to 6%. Perfect for folks wanting steady cash flow. Plus, it's got lower drawdowns, so it's pretty good at handling risk. Whether you go ETF or fund, the key is global diversification, stock bond balance, and auto management. That's the real lazy investing web. Alright, time to wrap up. Today, we checked out Taiwan's youth and the lazy investing ways. The core idea: don't bet big on just one market. No going all in on Taiwan or US stocks. Instead, embrace global diversification. Let assets worldwide work for you, and then nail the stock bond balance. Find a sweet spot for offense and defense based on your risk tolerance. So, if you want simple investing, global spread, and long-term trading, go with AOR for ETFs or Schroder for funds. Global income growth. The key takeaway: don't pile into one market. Balance stocks and bonds. Go to work and let wealth build slowly. Oh, and in our third episode on the 60 and 40 portfolio, we have got a detailed 30-year US stock backtest. You can set it up yourself. Lastly, if you liked today's content, please hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Also, drop a comment to let me know if you are more into building your own ETF portfolio or just grabbing monthly distributions from funds. This is the Chill Wealthy channel, where we keep investing easy and grow richer slowly. Catch you next time. Bye.